Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Deontay Burton, host of Changing Lives. I want to answer a question that that a lot of people go around asking, and that's, hey, how do I make more money? How do I get more money? How I acquire more money? How I acquire wealth? I'm not making enough funds. I need to get more and more, money in the bank and stuff like that. I'm trying. It's not happening. I'm gonna give you one quick answer. If you think, going working the hell out yourself or going to ask your boss for a raise, the quickest way or the best way for you to get money, you're very wrong. The best way for you to get more money and increase your income is to increase your value. And what I mean by increasing your value is that when you're working and doing a job and everything, you're going to get a certain income for that job. It's just the standard how everything goes. When we start talking about increasing your value, we're talking about the things that people would pay for a premium for. So that's just like when when you have a degree or don't have a degree, you have a certain trade or something like that. People pay you more money because that's a value of something that they'll pay for. Now, once you have those particular things, you have your degree, you may increase in things, maybe get a master's or get a PhD, things like that. But in addition to that, even if you don't have a degree, I mean, getting certain skill sets, getting certain credentials, reading, acquiring knowledge, gaining experiences, different things that can help you more rounded out. Where when a person sees you, they see the value in you. And I'm gonna tell you right now, if people see you being a valuable asset to them that can make them money, they will pay a premium for it. You see that with these athletes like LeBron James, coaches like Nick Saban and Coach K. People pay a premium for that, pay a premium for them because of the value they add to them, and they're going to make them money. Just like you see some of these corporate CEOs that are getting $20 million to run a company. That company knows that what they're going to make them more money. When you look at any basic corporation, who gets paid the most? Not management, it's the sales team because they're making the company money. So again, working the hell out yourself is not going to do it. Going there asking your boss that he's giggling and tripping out as soon as you walk out of his office, asking him for a raise, that ain't going to cut it. Listen to what I'm telling you. Focus on increasing your value. Focus on increasing the things that you bring to the table. And when those things happen, you ain't got to worry about your boss getting your raise. All those companies down the street, around the corner, around the country, they'll be knocking on your door to give you more money. So again, this is Deontay, and I hope that helped you. This is Deontay Burton, host of Changing Lives. Make sure you tune into our show, streaming live through our web channel, Changing Lives, every Thursday at 8 p.m. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. You can also hit that blue man in the bottom right hand corner. Also, listen. Thanks for all the support. Hope I helped you out. Hope I helped you guys out tonight. Take care.